Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I just posted a US 100 sell signal into our Discord trading room. So what I want to do now is explain a few things here. Let's just have a look at the trade alert. And in fact, this was sent to our free traders zone here today in the video. I explained everything clearly in the video for you. So this is a free signal. If you're watching my videos for the first time here, click the link below and join our Discord, guys. It's completely free. Here it is. Now the difference with this particular signal, this was done in the video and sent to the free section, but the VIP guys are going to get real time. When I enter the trade, I take a snapshot. They got my entry, stop loss, everything. And we have a chat. In the chat, we discuss stuff. So you get plenty of support in the chat. And then this is followed up with another screenshot as per the video. So what I want to do now is just quickly go over. And I mean, look what's happening. So why did I take this trade? Well, if you watched my previous video, we were waiting for this signal here. It fired, and this is what I was talking about in my last video. So make sure you watch the last video. And we've got this break of structure here, and then we're looking for entry. Now, the other thing that we have is have a look at this dot on the 4-hour chart and the dot on the 30-minute. Now, these are generally pretty good. So if I see a red dot alert on the 4-hour, the 30, and we get that, I'm in. Especially when we're trading. See this orange zone here? This is a daily distribution level that we marked up. Have a look at the previous video. So when we trade into these levels, and I was talking about this midline here, you can see this dotted line. It's in the last video, really important video. Watch that video and it'll give you the whole story as to, you know, how I find these opportunities, how I trade these opportunities, why I trade them. Okay, these two videos, well, the last video would be an ideal tutorial. Okay, so we're trading out of a key level of resistance. We get the signals, take the trade. Can this go against us? Of course it can. Smart money can decide to turn this around, whip it up, take out stops, whatever they want to do. But what it does give us is an edge. I don't know, we're getting a 90% win rate. Let's have a look. Join VIP traders. Here's the last 31 out of 34. Well, that's a 9 out of 10. That's a 90% win rate with our trade signals, right? I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. I would say to you, join if you haven't already. Here's our trade at the moment. We want to take profits early. What I'd be inclined to do here is have a look at the other video and understand what all these markups are on the chart. These are our key levels here. What I would look to do with this is take 2/3 of my position off at this level here. Let's have a look at this 4-hour. Down here, our ATR, you can see that down the bottom right. Average true range is giving me 94. I'm just setting a stop loss midway between the high of this order block and the center. So it's slightly above midway, but let's just have a look at this ATR, measure it up. So 94, I like to kind of exceed the ATR. Well, the ATR, we've got 94 there. So we're just giving it a little bit more than one ATR value. Anyway, this is the US 100. Be interesting to see how it shapes up for our trade tonight. Okay, with that, guys, hope you have a great day. Jump on board. The links are below. See you in the next video.